Hi everyone, in this video we're going to make mini egg tarts. These are so cute. They're bite-sized and it's such a delicious snack. First, let's make the pastry shells. In a large bowl, add the cake flour, white sugar, and salt. Whisk them together until it's evenly combined. By the way, if you guys want the full recipe, you can check it out in the description box below. Add cold butter that's been cut into cubes into the dry ingredients. Use your hands to combine it until it becomes crumbly with some chunks of butter still in the mixture. Do this really fast to prevent the butter from becoming too soft. Add 3 tablespoons of cold water and use your hands to combine it into a crumbly dough. Depending on the flour that you're using, you might need to add a bit more water as necessary until you can form a rough dough. Add half tablespoon at a time, but I do recommend not adding more than 4 tablespoons of water. Mix with your hands until you form a dough which is still a bit scraggly and dry. Lightly dust the table with flour, then roll the dough into roughly 15 centimeters by 40 centimeters rectangle. You must work quickly to avoid overworking the dough. Fold it like this and then roll it again into 15 centimeters by 40 centimeters rectangle, just like we did before. Fold the dough the same way as before and then fold it one last time to make an even smaller rectangle. Grab your cling wrap and wrap the dough tightly, or you can also use a reusable bag. Let's put the dough in the fridge and leave it to chill for an hour. And while the dough is resting, let's make the custard filling. Measure 120 ml of boiling water and add the white sugar in it. Use a whisk to mix until the sugar dissolves. Set this aside for now and allow the mixture to cool to room temperature. In another small bowl, add evaporated milk and add 2 eggs. We're going to add each egg one at a time, and let's mix it after adding each one. Add the vanilla extract and the sugar water that we mixed earlier. Whisk this until it's well combined. Next, we're going to sift the mixture to make sure that the custard will be smooth, and place it into a large measuring cup or any container with a spout. Cover it with cling wrap and then chill it in the fridge for now. Prepare the oven by positioning the rack in one of the lowest rack of your oven. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly dust the surface with flour. Here's the dough that has been chilling in the fridge. Roll out the dough into roughly 3 mm thick. And cut it into 6 cm circles using a cookie cutter. Take the excess dough, re-roll it, and cut more circles using this dough. You can make around 28 pastry shells in total using this recipe. Press each piece into the small cupcake pan to make a pastry shell. The diameter of the pan is 4 centimeters, and using a chopstick, you can create creases on the tart lip. This can be a bit tedious, and this is optional, so you don't have to do it. Fill each tart shell with the custard mixture until it's just below the top of the pastry shell. Once filled, immediately but carefully transfer the pan to the oven. Reduce the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake this for 15 minutes. Once it's cooked, turn off the oven and let them sit inside the oven with the door slightly open for 10 minutes because this prevents the egg custard from sinking too much. What recipe do you want to learn next? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.